Now I will present you the final part of my application, and I will start with app demonstration. So let me go and create an account with Lucky Data. Lucky password, doesn't matter, just create the account. There's a successful sign up, and also we're gonna log in. I will log out, and I will make also the login functionality from scratch. I will put some data from an account that I have created before. I'm getting the success message, and I will be redirected to homepage, which are the restaurants. And let's just do some searching. Let's say Athens, which is contained in both restaurants. And yep, so this also works. I will go here to add some dishes in the cart. I can go here and increase or decrease the quantity, and I will check out right now. I will put some data, luckily, it doesn't matter. I will also put a phone number, also just to complete the application. So 66 euros. This is what we need to see in the Stripe later. I will put 42424242 continuing. Since I live in Greek, some data automatically presented in Greek. So this means card number, this means expiration, this means country, and this means Greece. So I will pay, and now I will go to, okay, we're getting the success message, and I will go to Stripe. I will refresh the page, and we have to see 66 euros and success. Let's wait till it's loaded. And yes, we can see it. If we get in, all the data are in here. So to complete this project, I have made a deploy, and this is hosted in a virtual private server in Germany. I am packing first in my Visual Studio Code, and this file that's packed, I'm putting, this is my local computer, and this is in the private server. And I'm putting this file that I have just made, which ends in stay.gz, in the right side. I'm waiting till it's complete, and I'm doing some procedures. So what I'm doing here is I'm opening this file that I got from my computer, and I'm just doing the whole procedure as before. First is I'm doing build, I'm doing npm install, npm update, and then I'm just running these two functions, these two commands, restart and status, and this is running, so that's the reason that my app runs. Regarding additional features, I have put Google authentication, so users can use Google authentication, which is another way for authentication. I have also put MongoDB as a database while we were using Strap in the previous project. There are some styling changes, and of course use of Bootstrap. I need the user to have a great experience with the application and to have many opportunities such as logging in with different ways. So the only challenge was that I didn't have any idea how to complete Google authentication, and finally, after reading and searching on Google, I found that I can do it with NextAuth, which is a secure authentication only for Next.js apps. And the other thing was that I wanted a JWT, and I was not getting that. I was just getting a session with some data. So when I got that, I was able to complete the whole procedure in the backend as if I'm logging in with email and password. So the app will work great. Now, reflection, this project uses some frameworks such as React.js or Next.js that were very helpful for me, but they were giving some warnings or errors sometimes, since the code is based mostly on them. So if I started the code today, although these frameworks give me many opportunities, I would put inside more native JavaScript code, because sometimes these frameworks made the whole situation complicated. But native code is all the times more flexible. And of course, I would do better styling and big data, so the app could work under real conditions. So this is the final part of my presentation for my Capstone project.